Hello everybody, good morning. At this time I'm making this video, it is morning. Yeah, I'm just out here in my kitchen to make breakfast and I want to share this recipe with you. How are you guys doing? Trust you all are doing great. So today we are going to be making club sandwich. So do not go away, stay with me because I'm going to be showing you step by step how to make club sandwich for yourself. It's so delicious and yummy, trust me. So keep watching, let's go. So for your club sandwich you need all these ingredients, and now I'm going to shred out the chicken and remove all the bones. I'm going to use my fork and knife to do that easily. So once that is done, I'm going to set that aside, and now I'm going to cut the tomatoes into thin slices. After that, I'm going to remove all the seeds. We don't need the seed in this sandwich. I will also slice the cucumbers and the eggs into thin slices and set them aside. We need bread for this sandwich, and this is the bread I'm going to be using. I will be using 6 slices. I'm going to cut out the edge of the bread in order for it to have equal and smooth edge. So now I'm going to butter both sides of the bread and place it on the toaster. But first I'm going to butter one side. When I place it on the toaster, I'm going to butter the other side. If you don't have a toaster, you can equally use a pan. All you need to do is to oil the pan, butter the bread and place it on the pan and toast it on both sides until it's golden brown. Next, I'm going to pour the chicken into a deep bowl, add some mayonnaise and mix it up together. This will help to bind the chicken together. Now I'm going to add some mayonnaise and spread it all over one side of the bread. Next, I'm going to add in the chicken on top of it. After that goes in the lettuce. I will just place that on top. After placing the lettuce on top, then I will spread some mayonnaise on the other side of the bread and place it on top like so. I will spread some mayonnaise again on top of the bread and spread it all over, and then add in all the vegetables, the cabbage, the tomatoes, and the eggs. You know, the mayonnaise helps to bind these ingredients together so that they don't fall away. So lastly, I'm going to spread some mayonnaise on another bread and cover it all up. So guys, after that, this is what we've got. In total, I used 9 slices of bread to come out with this lovely sandwich. So I'm going to use a toothpick to pierce through in order to hold it firm before cutting it into 2 halves. But this is optional. You are good to go. You know, once it is done like this, you are good to go. You can start eating it. But if you want it to look like that of the 5-star hotel, you know, to have that shape, then you can go ahead and use your bread knife and cut it into 2 equal parts like this, and this is what you get. Remember to take out the toothpick before you start eating it, okay? So this is your club sandwich. Look at how pretty, yummy, and delicious it is already looking. So guys, Thank you for watching this video up to this point. If you have not liked this video, please go ahead and hit the like button, comment and share with your loved ones. This is what we've got. You can see how yummy and delicious it is looking. So tell me, are you going to be trying this? Let me know in the comment section if you're going to be trying this. Okay, I hope you're going to join me in my next video, because I'm going to be bringing your way another amazing recipe. So this is all we have for you today. Thank you so much. Let's go ahead and have a bite and see how it is. So let's have a bite. Let's have a bite.